So after following his advice, he he cleared the third trial and was qualified for the final. At that night, I walked over to Luz Long room in the Olympic Village to thank him. I knew that if it had been for him, it would not have been for he probably would not be jumping in the finals the following day. We sat in his quarters and talked for 2 hours about track and field, ourselves and bird situations, dozens of other things. So after the trials, next day there were finals. So during the night, Jace Ons went to the room of Luz Long where they were given the rooms. He thanked him because he felt that it was because of him the very next day he was going to jump in the finals. So when they sat together, they talked about many things. These are the things: word situation, track, field, dozens of other things. When I finally got up to leave, we both knew that a real friendship had been formed. Luz would go out in the field the next day trying to beat me if he could, but I knew that he wanted me to do my best, even if that meant my winning. So when after talking he left his room, he said that we both were sure that now we were very good friends, but then very next day we would try our level best to beat each other to win the medal. He said that I also knew that Luz Long would wish me good luck, that I would have won. As it turned out, Luz broke his own past record. In doing so, he pushed me on the peak of performance. What was his past record? That was 26 feet. So that means after him, Jace Ons had to jump. He had to break his record. I remember that at that instant, I landed from my final jump, the one which set an Olympics record of 26 feet 5 by 16 inch. So when it was his time to jump, he made a new record that was 26 feet. That means he won the jump. He was by my side, congratulating me despite the fact that Hitler glared at us from the stands not 100 yards away. Luz shook my hand hard, and it was not a fake smile with a broken heart, sort of a grip other. So when he said that I won the gold medal, Luz Long came to congratulate me wholeheartedly. There was a friendly smile. His smile was not fake. Either we both knew that Hitler was looking at him, and Hitler had a plan to win a gold medal through Luz Long. You can melt down all the gold medals and cups I have, and they could not be plating on the 24-carat friendship I felt for Luz Long at that moment. So Jason said that after that Olympics, we both became so many friends, and very good friends. We became very good friends, and today, if I melt all the gold medals and cups which I have won, then I won't be able even to get a 24th carat of my friendship. I realized them too that Luz was the epitome of that pride Dick Brereton, founder of the modern Olympic Games, must have had in my mind. So he said that the person who has founded the Olympic Games, epitome means the symbol, the title, the symbols or the title. That is, the important thing is in Olympic game is not winning but taking part. The national thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. So he said maybe the moment he was selecting the symbolizes statements for the Olympics, he had Luz Long in his mind. That is why he said that the bigger thing is not winning but to play well, to fight well. So in Olympic games, it is not that much important to win, but what is very important to take part and to fight well for winning. So this is the end of the short story. The important thing I am going to tell you, first of all, why and where the games were held in Berlin. Jace Ons, who was going to participate, how he had prepared, what was going on in his mind when he was going to Berlin, and what did he saw there about Hitler, why was he angry, what was the theory of Hitler, and then his mistakes during trials, then who came to help him, their conversation, his advice, and their talk on the track, which relax him very much. And then how did he clear the trial? After that, during night, who came to meet whom, and what did they talk about? And then finally, what was the feeling when he left his room, and how did they compete in the finals? And then the symbolism of the statements of the or logo of the Olympic Games. All these things are important, which you need to learn from the book, not from the workbook. From the book, learn with keywords from the short story, and if there will be any doubt, just underline that, and we will discuss it later on. Thank you.